Today, we will be replacing the control board on the TST-SL-TB model. The board is located on the top of the unit. Remove the top of the unit and place it on a flat surface. Here is a list of tools that you will need to complete the replacement. A Phillips head drill, a Phillips head screwdriver, a 5/16" nut driver. Before operating any maintenance on any of our equipment, make sure to remove the plug from the power source. Once the machine is disconnected from the power source, it's time to remove the stainless steel top paneling. To do so, remove the 6 screws located on the back and sides of the unit. After removing the screws, gently lift the top of the unit like so. The control board can be found on the back of the front panel. It is secured with 5 5/16 nuts. Use the nut driver to remove these nuts. Do not be afraid to apply a little force to remove the board from the holding, all the while making sure that the plastic standoffs go with the board. With all the wires still connected to the old board, it is time to set it aside and remove the protective packaging from the new control board. Line up the standoffs on the new board to the bolts as shown. Once the new board has been put into place, it is time to transfer the wires one at a time . Now, reinstall the 5 nuts using the 5/16 nut driver. Be extremely careful not to over-tighten the nuts. When you encounter resistance, it means the nuts have reached the plastic on the board and it is time to stop. Finally, replace the top paneling of the unit, reinstall the 6 screws, and test the unit for normal operation.